How are you?
I'm fine.
Alright, so let's start second adventure from RoboGarden. Hope you already watched first video and you loved it. So in second adventure there are 5 missions. So let's start with the first mission from second adventure. So in first mission we need to get a biscuit located at right side to the Robo. So in first adventure there were only movement translation tab. So in that there were forward and backward, but in second adventure one more movement, that is rotation, has been added. So in that we have a rotation, rotate right and rotate left tabs. So let's see how Avnish is going to perform this. Let's start Avnish your program. Okay, you're going to take one step right. One step forward. Okay, good.
Right and forward. Yeah, the mission is complete.
Wow, so you completed the mission. So let's move to the next mission. So in second mission there is a chocolate bar. We need to help a robot to collect that bar. So let's see. One step left. Okay. Wow, so you completed the mission second, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the next mission. So here is a mission third. In that we need to help a Robo to collect cookies, avoiding the candle path. So let's see how Avnish is performing it.
I'm already one step right.
One step right. Okay.
And then
One step forward. Another right. Okay. Another forward. How many forward? Okay, 4 forward. 2, 3 forward. Okay, 4 forward.
Again right.
Then one more right. Okay.
And then
2 forward.
1 forward. And then
One more forward. 2 forward. Right. Okay. One more right. Okay, so last forward. Okay. Let's run it.
right, 1 forward, 2 forward, 3 forward, 4 forward. Then right, 1 forward, and then right and 1 forward.
Wow. So you completed the mission.
Yes.
Let's move to the next mission. So in this mission we need to help Robo to collect all the vapor sticks, avoiding the red cells. So let's see how Avnish is performing it.
I'm gonna take 4 steps forward.
Okay, 4 step forward. Okay. 2, 3. Another one 4. And one right. Okay. 3 forward. Okay. Okay, run the program.
Yay, the mission is complete.
Okay, so you completed the mission. So let's move to the next mission. So in this mission, we need to help Robo to collect less sugary sweets and avoid the sweets on red cells. So let's see how Avnish is performing it. Let's start the
I'm
program.
gonna take a 4-step forward.
Okay, 4 step forward.
1 step forward.
Okay,
2 step forward.
2 step forward.
3 step forward. And then 4 step forward.
4 step forward.
And then 1 right.
1 right. Okay, good.
And then 1 step forward.
Okay,
And then 2 step forward.
2 step forward.
And then 3 step forward.
3 step forward.
And then 4 step forward.
4 step forward. Okay,
And then 1 more right.
1 more right. Good.
And then 1 step forward.
1 step forward.
2 step forward.
2 step forward.
And then
Okay, run the program. Okay, good. So let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2. Yay! The mission is complete.
Wow. So you finished the mission. So I think all the 5 missions are completed. So let's go to the roadmap and see. I think there we have to solve the quiz. So let's see what's there.
Yeah.
So
So we are gonna see in the tutorial quiz.
okay, so let's see what's there in tutorial quiz. So here are the tutorial quiz. So here is the first question from the quiz. Robo has to get cookies. So which block sequence can get him there?
So 1 step forward, 1 step forward, and then left, and 1 step forward.
Okay, so let's move to the next.
Go up.
Okay, so we need to help Robo to collect lollipop. So which code?
This go.
Okay,
And then next.
next. So after executing this code, which color Robo will be in? Blue color. Okay. So okay. So what Robo will collect after executing this block? Cupcake. Okay. Submit the answer.
Yay! We passed.
Okay. So you passed the quiz. So you given all the answer correct. So wow. So let's see what's there. I think you will have the certificate now. So wow, congratulations, you passed the so you passed the adventure second, all the 5 steps and quiz. So let's move to let's see the certificate. So here is your certificate for adventure second. So congratulations, Avnish. Okay, so thank you very much.
Like and subscribe. Watch our videos. Don't forget to click bell icon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.